Into this, it'll go ahead and start our automated assembly. That way the user can always see the action occurring. As the robot arm brings it up into our conveyor belt, or our overhead conveyor belt, it'll notify our board here, and we'll get a status update of that. And as each part is added, the next robot arm will automatically grab the next component to put in. So this will take a quick second. And we have our full wheels. So we can see our engine, transmission, our battery is in there, our radiators there, and now it's adding each of the wheels. And lastly, we'll be putting the body on the car. The decision to choose this order was show that each part goes in and that the user can see that.